Hey everyone! In this video, let me show you how you can convert your photo to black and white in iOS 13. Previously in iOS, there was an option to smartly convert your photos to black and white. Like the lighting and color smart adjustment, the black and white options is no longer available, but you can change it to black and white through a filter. So let's begin. Launch the photo app on your phone or iPad and find a photo and tap to open it. Tap the edit button. Now tap the color button in the bottom of the menu bar. Sweep through the filters until you get the three black and white filters, that is mono, silverstone and noir. They are automatically applied to your photos as you browse. If you need to make more adjustment, tap the lighting button to make changes to individual lighting specs. Tap done to save your changes. So that's all. This is how you can change your photo to black and white. I hope you have found this video helpful, so keep the thumbs up and remember to subscribe my channel to provide more tech info for you guys. And turn on bell icon to notify when I release videos. Keep watching the latest videos which is screening now. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.